Hello, what's up guys, welcome to my new other video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat filters lock not working problem. If you have still facing this problem, if your Snapchat filter is not working, so watch this video. Let's start this video without wasting time. First, fully minimize your Snapchat account, Snapchat app, and go on your mobile app store or Play Store app. After that, enter into the Play Store app or App Store. So go on search bar and type in Snapchat, Snapchat, and check it. Your Snapchat update is not update. If your Snapchat is not update, firstly update your Snapchat app and go back. After then update your Snapchat app, go back and go on your mobile settings. So just wait and watch. After then enter your mobile settings and go on scroll down. Here you see app manager. If you are mobile in app application, so just enter into the app application. If you have mobile in app management, so just enter into the app management. And so just wait and loading. See, after enter into the app management or app application, so just scroll down and here you see search Snapchat app and enter into the Snapchat app and click on first option storage. So just click into the first storage usage and clear data and clear cache. When you have clear data and clear cache, your Snapchat account has been logged out and go back. Now you see second option data usage. So just enter into the data usage detail and enable the background data and go back. Click on permissions and allow the all permissions: camera, contacts, location, microphone, phone, and storage. Your problem was solved. Your Snapchat filter is working 100%. My video was helpful, so like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching for my video.